Hi again. In this lesson we're going to talk about that how to remove punctuation from a string in Python programming language. First let's make a string, let's call it my string, and let's put inside it some text. For example, hi, what's your name? My name is John. Okay. Now what we want to do is to remove exclamation mark, question mark, dot, and other punctuation characters from our string. In order to do that, first we need to make our table of the characters that we want to remove. So we're going to make variable table, and inside our table we will put all characters that we want to remove or convert. Then we're going to call makeTransition method, and inside it as first argument we will put every single character that we want to convert. In this case we want to convert exclamation mark, question mark, and dot with and white space. But here we have three characters, and second argument also needs to have three characters, so we're going to multiply our white space character with number 3 because it needs to be equal size of these strings. So every occurrence of these characters will be translated or converted to a white space. Okay, now let's call again my string, and let's call method translate to translate our string to make transition from these characters to a white space. And we're gonna get a copy of my string, and as you can see now we do not have punctuation in our string. That's all in this lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.